Hello travel mates, how is it going? Welcome back to another episode of Lockdown Cooking. My name is Jordi, Haekyung is in the kitchen. And on today's episode, we're gonna make one of our favorite Goan dishes. Let's go.
We're gonna make chicken xacuti. We tried it before, check the link up here. But today we make it at home. So we're gonna make xacuti paste first. So let's roast the coconut. Look at this! This is the fresh coconut that Jordi just got from summer.
The recipe says 1 cup and I told Haekyung, put more.
Oh my god.
Whatever, we love coconut. It's not gonna taste bad, right? It's fresh, nice.
I know this is still early stage, but I feel really hot. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna open a beer. See my light? Nice! So this is ready. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, let's check. Voila! Dry. Ooh, nice. Yeah, I think it's ready. Okay. Now time to make the chicken. So this is done. So we're gonna put the xacuti sauce inside. Ooh, looking good. Them all together very well. Smells so good. So now I need to put the chicken, but this pan is too small. So we're gonna divide it into 2. Okay? Okay, the time's up. The chicken is ready.
So yeah, chicken Xacuti, homemade from scratch with all the spices, made by 𝗃𝗀𝗀 this time.
I'm so exhausted.
Yeah, let's try this. First the sauce. It feels so powerful.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's very creamy. A bit, maybe we put too much vinegar. Now that you mention it.
Yeah. It was originally just 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon. So I think I accidentally put 2 tablespoons.
Still, it tastes very nice. Oh my god, it's much more thicker. You know, when you order it at the restaurant, it's a bit more liquid. This one is thicker, and it's been cooking all the time with the chicken, so it's very rich.
Now, I'm gonna try the chicken. Ooh, look at this chicken leg. Okay, I'm gonna eat with my hand. Oh my god. The chicken is so tender.
It's recommended to use full chicken with bones and all that stuff because it gives more, you know, richness and flavor.
Very good.
You know, I'm feeling the final roasted coconut we put on top. The final garnish. It's very good.
Nice.
It's a crazy mix of spices. The coconut and the flavor of the chicken, of course. And it's quite unique from Goa. It's kind of hard to find outside Goa, I would say. So come to Goa.
Maybe we cooked a bit too long, because I feel like the chicken can be like softer. But I mean it's good. But
I like it like this. Chicken, the longer, the more tender, right? And we have this Goan bread. The name is 𝗺𝗏. Usually when you order chicken Xacuti in a restaurant, in a stall on the street, it comes with this kind of bread that we love. Why did we wait so much to make this at home? I mean, it's good outside, but usually when you make something at home from scratch, you know, with the right spices and amounts, it turns out really good. This is one of those occasions. It's fresh baked bread.
no.
Still warm. Amazing. Actually, Xacuti, it's not only made with chicken, you can make it with prawns or crab or mushrooms if you're vegetarian. So yeah, it's just a sauce, Xacuti. And what a sauce. Amazing, 𝗃𝗀𝗀. Good job. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and
Subscribe to our channel and leave a comment on how you like this episode.
see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye. Today we're going to make chicken Xacuti. So it would be great if we can. We're gonna make the Xacuti paste first. So first we're gonna make the Xacuti 1 cup, 1/4 quarter.
So what? behind you.
Your opener. Okay.
I can hear some dogs barking because they don't have Xacuti in their life. How hard must be.